Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the cream of spinach soup loaded with iron and fiber. This nourishing soup is just as easy to make at home. To begin, clean and wash 250 grams of spinach leaves. Boil water in a pan. Blanch the spinach leaves until they change color. Remove them to a bowl with ice cold water so that they retain their color. Squeeze out the water from the spinach. Keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add in a bay leaf and 2-inch piece of cinnamon. Add a tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Next, add in 1 medium onion chopped and saute until translucent. Do not brown. Remove from heat and let it cool. Remove the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick. Add in the blanched spinach and blend it into a smooth paste. Heat the pan again and pour in the puree. Add in 2 cups of vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock readily available, dissolve 2 cubes of Maggi super seasoning in 2 cups of water. Add in half teaspoon black pepper powder. Bring to a simmer. Add in a slurry of 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed in a tablespoon of water. You can use the stock to make the slurry. Once it begins to thicken, add in half a cup of cream. Keep it on simmer. Do not boil the soup or it might curdle. Check the salt and add more if required. The cream of spinach soup is ready to serve. Garnish with a swirl of cream and serve hot. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.